Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. When I go to my cleaning jobs, I make sure I'm always stocking these Swiffer heavy duty pet duster refills. These are my absolute favorite tool for cleaning not just my house, but when I do jobs for other people. These have Febreze odor defense in them and they trap and lock dust so well. We all know that pets tend to have a lot of dander and fur that can fly around everywhere and get stuck to everything. But with these Swiffer Dusters, they are so great at picking up all kinds of pet dander. I really appreciate the design of these and how they trap and lock dust so well, and you're not going to just be spreading around dust as you're using this. And the Febreze actually smells so good, and you can tell when you've been using it that it leaves behind a fresh, clean scent. So if you're a pet parent and you want to make sure your house is staying clean and dust-free, get these Swiffer heavy duty pet dusters. They work so well, you are going to love them, and that is my point of view.